Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel and Beyond tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate data in Excel. So let's get started. Here, I have a sample employee data table, and you can see that some entries are repeated. Now, we will remove these duplicate entries in just a few clicks. First, select the entire table, including the headers. Now, go to the Data tab on the top menu and click on Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear. Make sure the option My Data Has Headers is ticked. Now choose which column you want to check for duplicates. For example, if you want to remove duplicates only by employee ID, then select Employee ID only. Now click OK. Excel will instantly remove all the duplicate values, and you will see a message like 3 duplicate values found and removed, 6 unique values remain. And that's it. Your data is clean. This is how easily you can remove duplicate entries in Excel using the Remove Duplicates tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel and Beyond tutorials for more simple Excel tricks. Thank you for watching.